Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss a question of JAM exam. Okay. So question is given that system of linear equation, that is x plus y plus 5z equal to 3 and x plus 2y plus mz equal to 5 and x plus 2y plus 4z equal to k. Okay. Then say that when the system is consistent, okay, which of the condition is satisfied, then implies system is this three system is consistent. Okay. Now solution. Okay. Now given system x plus y plus 5z equal to 3 and x plus 2y plus mz equal to 5 and x plus 2y plus 4z equal to k. Okay. Okay. X plus y plus 5z equal to 3 and second is x plus 2y plus mz equal to 5 and third one is x plus 2y plus 4z equal to k. Okay. Now coefficient matrix is A equal to 1 1 5. Okay. Now argument matrix, okay, argument matrix is 1 1 5 and here 3 and here 1 2 m 5 and 1 2 4 k. Okay. And we know that a system is consistent if and only if rank of A equal to rank of argument matrix. Okay. So here 1 1 5 and 3 1 2 m 5 and 1 2 4 k. Okay. Now first substitute second row by first row. Okay. So we have 5 3, okay, and here 0, here 1, here m minus 5 and also 2 and 0 1 4 minus 5, that is minus 1 and here k minus 3. Okay. Now substitute row number 3 minus by row number 2. So we have 1 1 5 3 and here 0 1 m minus 5 and here 2 and 0 0 minus 1 and minus m plus 5. Okay. And here k minus 5 and that is equal to 1 1 5 3 and 0 1 m minus 5 2 and here 0 0 and here 4 minus m. Okay. Here 4 minus m, sorry, here 4 minus m, okay, 4 minus m and here also k minus 5. Okay. Now check first option say that m not equal to 4. Okay. We check rank of A equal to rank of argument matrix of A this satisfy or not. Okay, so if m not equal to 4, we have this value 4 minus m not equal to 0. So this is A matrix and this is B. So rank of A, in this case rank of A equal to 3 non-zero row. So rank of A equal to 3, and rank also, rank of A and argument of A also 3, because here non-zero, so non-zero, 3 non-zero row. So in this case we have unique solution. Okay, so this implies the system is consistent. So option number A is true. Okay, now option B. Option B say that k not equal to 5. Now check, k not equal to 5. Okay, now given matrix is 1 1 5 and 3 0 1 m minus 5 and 2 here and 0 0 4 minus m and here k minus 5. Okay, if k not equal to 5, that is this is non-zero. Okay, this is k minus 5 not equal to 0. Okay, if we choose m equal to 4, so here equal to 0. So rank of A equal to 2, because 2 non-zero and this row, this is a matrix, this row completely 0. So rank of the matrix is true in this case, and here non-zero. So rank of the argument matrix is 3, because here non-zero. So 3 non-zero row, so rank is 3. So in this case rank of A not equal to rank of AB. Okay, so this implies the system has no solution, so inconsistence in this case. So B option is not true. Now option number C. When m equal to 4. Okay, so given matrix is 1 1 5 3. Okay, and 0 1 m minus 5 and 2, and here 0 0 4 minus m and k minus 5. Okay, if m equal to 4, then 4 minus m equal to 0, this quantity equal to 0, and in this case we choose k not equal to 5. So this is this quantity not equal to 0, that is k minus 5 not equal to 0. So in this case rank of the A equal to 2, because 2 non-zero row. Okay, and rank of the argument matrix, that is equal to 3, because here non-zero. Okay, so in this case also inconsistence. Now option number D, k equal to 5. When k equal to 5, k equal to 5. Okay, so here given matrix is 1 1 5 and 3 0 1 m minus 5 2 and 0 0 4 minus m and k minus 5 here. Okay, if k equal to 5, so this implies k minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so in this case here 0. Okay, now if 4 minus m not equal to 0 in this case, so rank of the A equal to rank of the A B equal to 3 equal. So in this case if 4 minus m not equal to 0, in this case has a consistent solution. System has a solution, so consistent and unique solution. And also one case are possible if a minus m equal to 0. Okay, so if 4 minus m equal to 0, this is 0, so rank of the A equal to 2 because 2 non-zero row, and similarly rank of the A minus rank of the AB argument matrix is also 2 because 2 non-zero row whole matrix. Okay, so in this case also has a solution. Okay, system has a solution and infinitely many solution. Okay, so in this case option number D is true. Okay, so answer of the question is A and D both. Okay,